And the person who knows a lot of the good stuff happening at this school is, of course, the school's principal. Miss Principal Lewis, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Yes, thank you for being here. We're so excited to show the great things we're doing here at the Brook.
Yes, and speaking of that, that's my first question, actually. So this place is called The Brook. Where does that name come from? And it just sounds so cool.
So we have a brook that actually runs through that separates our first building from our second building. Our second building holds the cafeteria and our gym.
Yeah.
So that's why we call it The Brook.
Very nice. It sounds like a very swanky place. I love that. The Brook. Well, speaking of the Brook, for our campus community, or for our community out there, talk to us about this school community. What makes the Brook such a special place? Coming from the programs here and the students, just everything.
So Forest Brook was built in 1972. So we have a lot of community, a lot of rich history in the community. We have grandchildren of grandparents who went to the Brook when it was a high school, when they were Jaguars, and now we're Bulldogs. We have nieces and nephews. So it really is about a community coming together around a campus and just generation after generation attending the same building. I think that's amazing.
That is amazing. And let's talk about your school's programs. I know there's DIAD programs here, a lot of elective courses and things like that. We'll be highlighting a lot of those things right here on HISD now throughout the week. But if you can expand a little about the DIAD program here.
So we have many opportunities for scholars to have extracurricular activities. Some of the ones that our scholars love are photography, graphic design. They love music production. They love chess. Recently, some of our scholars have started doing chess in the morning in the cafeteria while they're waiting for school to begin. They whip out their chessboards and they play chess. So all of those activities. We also have a very good art elective, and the teacher is amazing. The kids, it soothes their soul to be to draw and do all the things that they do in the art class. So we love these activities. We have piano, we have STEM. It's amazing to expand the scholars' ideas around what they can do or what they think they can do. So our scholars are learning they can do many, many things.
That's wonderful. And of course, we'll be highlighting those stories right here throughout the week. Before we go, though, maybe a last message to your community. We're kind of on the home stretch, if you will, the last few weeks of the school year. Anything you want to tell your parents or your students?
So I want to tell my parents, my scholars, my teachers, thank you. Thank you for ensuring your scholars are at school every day. Thank you for being a part of this community and helping us show people that in 77016 we are doing great things and we are building masters and meet scholars.
Right here at the Brook.
Right here at the Brook.